Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018, on a 68 plate Ford Kuga Titanium. This is the 1.4 turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in chrome blue metallic, and it's covered just 28,000 miles. So have a good walk around this lovely looking Kuga. It's getting cold, it's getting dark, but it's my last one of the day, so we'll get through it. Really smart looking car, 2 owners from new, 28,000 miles, comprehensive service history, 4 stamps in the book, so really well maintained. First 3 services all from Ford, and then the 4th service carried out by ourselves just a few months ago. Lovely looking truck. 17-inch alloy wheels in pretty much perfect condition. The chrome blue really stands out. Properly good looking car. 1.5 turbo diesel, 50 plus to the gallon, £165 a year to tax. Excellent family SUVs. Not expensive to run. Good looking, plenty of kit. Just had a brand new diesel particulate filter fitted at the Ford main dealer. So absolutely ready to go. Interior's lovely. You got these half leather seats, bolsters etc. are all good. Leather centre armrest. Hopefully you can still see. Door cards are all good. You get remote central locking with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. As we make our way inside, you've got automatic lights. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Ooh, hopefully you can see. Up onto the steering wheel, we've got controls for your Bluetooth voice recognition. You've got your cruise control and speed limiter. And then just poking through, you got your mileage there, 28440. Electronic handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's nice and toasty in here. Dual zone climate control. You've got start-stop facility, which obviously you can switch off, and then you've got the really impressive infotainment system. You've got DAB digital radio. We've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth, of course. You can link some mobile apps to it. If I put the car into reverse, Park Pilot with your sensors, and then in the glove box you've got all your handbooks and whatever else. Nice raised seating position, good visibility. Into the rear. Again, lovely and tidy. You've got your carpet mats which run throughout. 3 proper seat belts with 3 headrests and the ISOFIX, so comfortable 5-seater. Seats fold nicely as well in the rear. Electric windows in the back. Really looks the part. And then into the load space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf all intact, and then this excellent size load space. Flat load space as well, so no big lip to negotiate. And underneath, the luxury of a get your home spare wheel. So there we have it, 2 owner Kuga Titanium Diesel, 28,000 miles, full service history. Finance calculator on the website for you to have a play around with. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look on the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Good value, Good looking, good spec. This won't be here long. Thanks for watching.